Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the SaaS-WA's staff user management. The idea of this staff user management is you can invite some users and assign specific label to them. So then whoever mark this label, for example, if you mark this label as, so this is a box street, right? So I just mark this one as urgent and I just click save changes. So after I click save changes, you can able to see this label has been assigned to box food street, right? Then I'm going to this user management. So I'm inviting one of my employee to this chat. They can come to this platform. Then I just click assign. So once I assign, I can assign what are the tags they want to deal with. For example, I just giving that SaaSWA, or I can give urgent. Then if I click save changes, so then if the user login to this site with their shared username and password, they only can able to see the labels which is having the urgent and the 5 more other tags, right? So likewise, they only can able to see the limited tags which we have assigned in this tags, right? So they only can see all the conversation which is having this kind of tags. So this is about the staff user management in SaaSWA, and that's all for this video, and thank you so much.